Welcome back to a new to a new Unreal Engine live stream, and happy new year, and happy new year, happy new live stream. So I'm working on my project a little further, and yeah, that's I created this little street here with a little walking path and the side, and yeah, like a little parking lot here. So let's animate a new weapon. I want to animate something, so let's animate a new weapon. So let's look. I have this weapon pack right here from the marketplace. So let's just get a random one. Maybe this SMG here. Maybe shotgun. Let's go with a shotgun, maybe. Let's just have a look. Okay. Grip. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's compile and let's export again. So it has this magazine right here. Okay, so the magazine is always attached to the socket here. Also, I have to animate the mag itself, but that's no problem. It's actually really cool. Okay, so let's. But wait, let me see. For the mag, yeah, we got a socket here, so I can just. Yeah, okay. Can just attach the magazine to it. Okay, so let's export this weapon here, the shotgun, and let's animate a shotgun. Actually, I've never did a shotgun reload in my life. So I'm still waiting on a answer from Epic Games. So they say there are some copyright issues with my weapon, but I actually made the weapon model myself, so there shouldn't be any copyright things, because yeah, it's not inspired by a pistol that much. Yeah. So let's copy my base animation file. Wait, is that the right one? FP base or base? Let me see. Yeah, it's FP base, I think. Yeah. FP base, copy. FPM 0 animation. Alright, let me actually... what program do you recommend to do animations? I have a lot of problems in Blender, no bones, and so think try Cinema 4D. So I really love Blender, and I'm working with Blender now for a couple of years, so I recommend Blender. So here's my shotgun. So. And then let's import also our magazine here. So we got the bullets right here, and then we also got a second mag mesh where there aren't any bullets left. Alright, but let's export this one here. 3D Max also is pretty good. I've never tried Cinema 4D, and also 3ds Max. Where you get the shotgun, it's from a weapon pack from the marketplace. Let's attach our magazine to our shotgun skeleton, to our bone mag, and now it's in the right position, and now it will, yeah. Okay, so let's attach our shotgun to our weapon bone, like so, and let's start animating. So I've figured out a new way to animate things, and yeah, I created a new bone, so I also can move the weapon in with animations, and I think that's a little easier than just creating animations for the weapon. Just downloaded a model of the hands, and I can figure out how to animate them. Maybe I need to create the bone and then rig myself. So I'm using a free plugin for Blender that's called Mr. Mannequin's Tools. That is what I'm using right now, and that is for Unreal Engine. So you can basically animate with the Epic Skeleton right here, and then you can import it to Unreal, and then you can use it for every mesh that's rigged to the Epic Skeleton, and the most the most meshes are rigged to the Epic Skeleton from the marketplace, so I recommend you to use that. And also you can change the mesh in Blender here, so you can import your mesh and then just attach it to the skeleton right here if it's rigged. So if you don't like this prototype mesh here, you can change it to yours. So let's bring everything into position. So it's a little big, I think. Oh yeah. So let's get it down. Like so. That should be fine. Alright, so our thumb. Oops. And then our trigger, our pointer finger. Like so, maybe. Maybe let's scale the weapon more down a little bit. Wait. Yeah, like so. And then let's position it a little bit in our view. Oh, let's change the camera field of view. That's wrong right now. Field of view 110, like so. Okay, so now the left hand is always a little more tricky. First, let's disable this the twisting. Yeah. Like so. And also here. Let's disable the twist. Wait, where's my bone? Yeah. Alright, so now let's position our left hand. Oops. Alright. And now our other fingers. Alright, so let's create a good pose. So our hands are in the correct position now. So let's create a idle pose. Okay, so let's export and let's try it out. So M890 and let's create a new folder. No, not in there. And whoops, let's import our new animation. Here it is. So let's add our weapon to our state. And let's try it out. So let's go into our NM blueprint. And let's set our animation here. So Let's set our state. Let's set our weapon. And let's try it out. Oh, okay. So as you can see, it's too big, and oh, I think I know why it's so big. Location, rotation, and scale. Let's export again. Import. It's still so big. Okay, then let's scale it down to. Wait, let me check. 0.76. What? It's still in the wrong scale. But it's in the right place. Alright, so then. Let's export it again. And let's see. No, it's still not right. Now it would be right. So let's try again. Now it's better. Okay. So we have our shotgun here. And yeah, the textures are not loaded yet, so. And actually the iron sight is very big. Okay. Let's change the iron sight right now to something different. Maybe a holographic scope. And yeah, I have to set the aim location again. So you can see my wrist is very small there. So let's rotate it in the animation, and let's actually restart right now. So the textures are loaded again. Then let's rotate the wrist a little bit. So, let's re-import again our animation. Please load the textures. Yeah, okay. It's a little lagging right now, but I think I have to set the state or rifle. I'm just gonna set the scalability more down for the live stream. But the text just need to be the same. Whoa, what's that? There's like an invisible thing, or it's my weapon, I guess. But it looks fine right now. Let me just change the thumb a little bit, maybe, and let me actually change my shirt, because it's a little green here and it looks weird. So let's get another shirt, this one here, and then let's set the material to something black. And yeah, that's better. Okay, I think I like this shotgun. Let's actually let's change the iron sight again. Let's change it to the iron sight. Yeah, the iron sight is very, very big. Let's scale that down. Scope, iron sight here. Like so, and let's scale that down. I don't know. So let's look for our accessories here. Okay, so it's still a little twisted here. So why is it so wait. Oh, here we can see the twisting better. Okay, so let's rotate it a little more. And let's re-import. That's better, I think. Let's see. Okay, so the textures aren't loading again. And you can see it's... Let's rotate that. Whoa, okay. So that looks crappy. That looks very crappy. Let's undo that. I hate this bug that the textures aren't loading. Nope, they still aren't loading. Okay, weird. So, let's have a look in our character again. Let me twist that back. Back to where it was. Like so. Yeah, and then it's... Yeah, okay. Man, I hate that. So, why is he twisting that? This like so. Is that better for the twist? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now it's right. And the right twist. So let's the hand is very... Yeah, let's change our elbow a little bit down and then try again. Then I also restart Epic Unreal, and then let's look at what we got. You do this to fix the texture bug. What streaming pool size number, big number in the console. Okay, in the output log. Let me see. So what number do I have to insert? A big number, you said. Um, 3000. Okay, I hope it's not crashing. Alright. And now, so do I have it while I'm oh yeah, it's working. Thanks. Yeah, it works. Okay, so let me change the scalability more down for the stream. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, thanks Elliot. Very nice. So now, yeah, so let's change the thumb a little more. But I think the animations are, so I really love these procedural animations in the weapon sway, so I only have to insert one idle pose and you will automatically use the procedural animations here. It's still a little laggy, but yeah, it's okay for the stream, I think. Alright. Okay, let's change, let's move our thumb. Let's try this pose. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Very nice shotgun pose. And let's try setting the scalability to low. And then let's see. Oh, now it's very fluent. But yeah, it looks very, very crappy. Of course, the shadows. But it's very, very smooth. And you really can see the nice weapon sway I got. Alright, I like that. So, nice one. Okay, you can see my arms are a little clipping through my vest. And, oh yeah, I have to create a sprint animation. And also an idle animation, so it's just a pose right now, an idle pose. But I also could create a procedural idle idle animation, so I don't have to create them like 100 times for every weapon. But the pistol, the shotgun is very nice. I like that. So let's create a sprint pose for now. No, a sprint animation. Whoa, okay. That's not good. Why you prefer to use Blender for animations versus Unreal Animation Sequencer? Yeah, so I don't know. I started with Blender and I really like Blender, and I tried the Unreal Sequencer, but I don't know. So I'm not a huge fan, and I don't know. So maybe in the future I will try it again, but for now I use Blender and it's fine for me. let's use that for our sprint. Sprint here, and then choose our skeleton. Like so, and then let's get the sprint function here. Let me change that, and then let's get my sprint. And oh yeah, that's also, so I've changed the scale here. Let me just change the scale and the mesh. Can I just change it here? No, okay. Oh no, that's for LOD. Okay, so let's speed up the sprint a little bit. For about 1.3, okay. So now oh yeah, it's a little fast. So let's change the duration 0.5, 0.6. Yeah, that looks fine for me. Okay, so let's try with better scalability here. If it's still lagging. Oh yeah, now it's more lagging. Let's try maybe disable the shadows of our grass. That will take a lot of FPS. Yeah, so I need to re-import it, but so then let's okay. You're right. Thanks. And then let's import like so. The material, yeah, that's okay. Alright, thanks. So now here I can set it to 1, and I will, yeah, now it's in the right. Okay, so let's disable the shadows of our grass. Where's my MW landscape here? And then procedurals, grass. Cast dynamic shadows off. Also this, oh, I forgot this one. Okay, so now they're not casting any shadows. Yeah, it's better. Still, let's enable our FPS thing. So right now I get 20 FPS with the stream in 1080p. So yeah, of course my PC is working pretty hard right now because of the stream. So I think when I stop the stream I should get 60 FPS. I think. Okay. I don't know, I like this shotgun. So let's create our procedural recoil. Let's try a little bit with our procedural recoil here. First let's implement our firing function here. Let's just copy this from the other shotgun. Fire graph. Add recoil, firing, blah blah, and then yeah, for our bullets. Okay, so let's set the recoil here. So first let's have a look on. Okay, I have to set the sockets. Oh no, he's using the barrel socket. Okay. Okay, so that's not a problem. Let's see, and the muzzle flash is pointed downwards, so sockets. Where are my sockets? Barrel socket. So let's change that. So barrel is for silencer, I think. Barrel squared, that's for the squared suppressor, I think. Yeah, okay. So let's just try out, and let's set our barrel type to silence maybe, and let's try to move that. Yeah, okay. So let's create another socket here. Muzzle. Let's just copy that location from our barrel. And then let's rotate it 90 degrees. Let's change actually recoil, no. Let's add another socket for muzzle socket. Then let's use that. With a mesh, attach this one, and let's get our muzzle. Alright, so let's set the default value to muzzle. Oh, okay. Now it's pointed upwards. Ah, okay, yeah. My problem. Now it's pointed to the side, so let's change that. Yeah, now it's in the right one, so let's change our muzzle later, but let's actually start with the recoil animation. So let's close all these tabs. I got my recoil settings here. Where are they? Here, recoil. Let's duplicate the recoil curve from our other weapon. Oh, I think it's still here. No. Here maybe. Yeah. And so what am I using right now for my revolver? I'm using the Python revolver. Okay. So let's duplicate that. Shotgun location. Shotgun rotation. Alright. So let's insert them here. And let's copy the values. And then let's modify them. But first let's just have a look. Okay, so now it's looking like this. That's not that good for a shotgun. It's better for a revolver. So let's, of course, let's add some more on the Y. Oh, I think we have no Y value here. Oh yeah, so what's going on there with the Y? Let's do it like, no, what? Let's do it like so. And then maybe it's in the X. I want to move the weapon more back. But that's not working right now. Let's move it more down, and that's, I don't know. Why is it not moving back? Also to the side, it's not really moving to the side. Is that the right? So is there a blueprint error maybe? Yeah, so he's using these values. Let's just try something and let's see if something's moving. No. No. 100 again. Okay, so I think there is something in the recoil maybe. Location. So we're using the X and the Y. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now here's our. Yeah, I forgot that. So now he's. Yeah. That makes sense. So let's move it more back. That's to the side. But we can also add some little thing a little bit to the side. So now let's see, moving the shotgun back or forward. Oh no. Let's just try it out. Oh yeah, that was the wrong pin. No. Okay, let's set it back to 6. Yeah, still too much. 2 maybe. And then let's disable the rotation. Or let's add more to the Z. And let's remove something of our rotation. Okay, not that's too much to the side here. -1 is fine, I think. Yeah, I think that's good for our recoil animation. Oh, they're traveling in the wrong direction. Our tracers. That's also a bug. And then I have to add the pulling back animation, the reload. Okay. But first let's set our aim offset. So yeah, I got a little nice tool for that. My offset calculation here. So I'm just gonna set the animation here and set my weapon. And let's add our aim point. And our aim point is right here. Right there. And compile save. No. Let's get the output and insert that into our weapon ADS offset. And now position is correct, but it's a little too far away. But the position is correct. Okay, yeah. That's fine, that's fine. Let's look for a shotgun sound. So I get a pack from the marketplace. Where is it? Where is it? No, that's visual effects. Here. And where's my shotgun? I think I like this one. Okay. Let's create a queue. We already got a queue, but that are single queues here. So let's insert that for our sound. Where's my where is the variable for sound? Oh, so I think I have to set it in the... Oh wait, what? I thought I had a variable for it. Okay, so I think then I have added it in the event graph. Let me see. Let me see my revolver here. Yeah, here it is. Okay, let's just copy that. And now okay. Alright, so oh. Okay, that was the revolver fire. Let's change our scalability back to low, so it's that's so fluent, that's cool, that's very fluent. Okay, so let's add our little reload thing animation. But let me just see for the sprint. Yeah, okay. Okay, me just see how it is, how it's really called. It is called the... Oh yeah, the pump. Right. Pump. Oops. So now let's animate for our weapon here. Where's in front? Here. Let's attach this bone to our left hand, like so. Then let's move it back. And move it back forward. Alright, let's export that. Let's export the animation for the shotgun. Pump, shotgun. And pump. Big animations. And then import everything. And then we should have a pump animation. Let me just put this into that folder, and later I will move the weapon, so the shotgun, into this folder also. Oh yeah, I forgot to... Yeah. Again, import. Okay, so let's enable root motion. Okay, let's create a montage. Oh no, let's just play the animation for our weapon. Then fire, and then delay. Play animation. Play montage. So let's create a montage. Let's disable the blending time. And now set that here. Then we also have to set the... Wait. We also have to set the slot here. Slot, default slot. And now... Yeah, they're not playing at the exact time. And it's still... yeah, 0.1. And then here I have to add another delay. 0.1. And now... Okay, that's too fast. 0.3, maybe. Zero 0.5. Yeah. So let's add our sound to our animation here. Let's say play sound, and then let's create our cue here again. Oh yeah, we only got this sound here, so let's yeah, let's create some new waves, some more. Let's duplicate that. Pump 2, pump 1, pump 3, and then let's add a little pitch and volume, and here remove a little more pitch and volume, and save everything. Let's create our cue. And let's play this sound. And now yeah, I think that's fine for now. Alright, so let's just try one time with better scalability. yeah, with my stream running, it's still lagging, or yeah, 20 FPS right now, but I think the animations are looking good, in my opinion. So, I'm done with this live stream, and tomorrow there will be maybe another live stream, so stay tuned. And also, maybe I will upload another tutorial today to weapon pickup. I wanted to do that some days ago, but I forgot. So maybe I will upload today the weapon pickup tutorial. Alright, so see you later, and have a good day, and have a good new year and a good 2024. So yeah, bye bye.